Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to install Java 19 on Windows. Let's get into it. First, on your browser, go to Oracle Java. You want to go to their official website, Java Software. Go ahead and click it. Once you're inside, click this download Java above. And you can download these softwares in three options, Linux, and if you have a MacBook, you can do so. But in our video, we're going to use Windows software. So just click this link to download the software. After that, once it's done, click below and you want to select a folder where will you gonna put your Java software. And you can rename this and click OK and just wait for a few minutes and it will be done. After that, go to your desktop and simply go to File Explorer, look for the folder where you put your Java software and just simply copy it. After that, go to search again and type in environment variables. In here, just click environment variables. Here in our system variables, you're going to see your Java software. That's it. I hope this video helped you out.